OpenAI just released GPT 5.4 and they are calling it their most capable and efficient frontier model. Alright, so let's talk about what actually new to this GPT 5.4, which make this really nice. So first of all, finally GPT 5.4 can use a native computer. And this is first general purpose model OpenAI have released that can actually operate a computer. It can issue keyboard and mouse command, open application and can run code and check if the output is correct and can fix if it is not. OpenAI call it build, run, verify, fix loop. However, when we visit ChatGPT, you will not find this particular feature or instance because right now it is only available through API and Codex. Now the second important feature that now comes with GPT 5.4 is now if you are using Codex, you now have got 1 million token context window. So what does this mean and why this is important? Well, 1 million context window is around 750,000 words in a single conversation, enough to process entire code base, a large set of document or a very long agent flow without losing context. Which means that the ChatGPT 5.4 will not forget or miss the thing easily. However, one thing to be aware of, OpenAI is now charging more amount with this GPT 5.4 when compared to GPT 5.2. Now let's talk about the coding capability. GPT 5.4 incorporate the coding capability of 5.3 Codex, which is OpenAI dedicated coding model into a single unified model. Previously, you have used Codex separately for serious coding tasks, but now you do not see a separate Codex model. You just see GPT 5.4. There is no GPT 5.4 Codex. Also, OpenAI has not published a public SWE bench number for GPT 5.4 at the time of making this video. But internal result shows improvement in multi-step coding workflow, especially in heavy tool environment and tasks that required running and verifying code. So if you use ChatGPT for development work, the practical change is fewer correction turns and better handling of complicated file tasks. You will also see ChatGPT 5.4 improved in professional knowledge work, for example, spreadsheet, documents or slide. It also have worked on improving accuracy and efficiency number, which is a whopping 33% lower than GPT 5.2 and 18% overall mistake lower than again GPT 5.2. So I would say GPT 5.4 is in a way is really a significant upgrade over GPT 5.2, which to be honest in terms of number looks an incremental upgrade. And what I expect is probably GPT will come up with next version soon, as to be honest right now GPT 5.4 is kind of lagging behind Claude AI, especially in terms of certain features like Claude AI Cowork. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. Subscribe to Technaholic AI to follow more such AI topics and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.